The International Paralympic Committee has de-recognized the Paralympic Committee of India due to infighting. But what's more pathetic, this is the third time that the Indian body has been de-recognized by the world body for the same reason. Now this of course would have a major impact on India, as Indian athletes will not be able to participate in any world events till the ban is lifted.
Less than a month back, these images of the National Paralympic Games being conducted in a shoddy manner in Ghaziabad shocked everyone. It resulted in the sacking of Rajesh Tomar, the president of the Paralympic Committee of India, or PCI. Now the PCI has been indefinitely de-recognized by the International Paralympic Committee for infighting within the federation. This is the third time in 4 years that the PCI has been de-recognized by the world body for the same reason.
It's a shocking news that what we got last night, but we do not understand as to why they have taken such a hard decision on us. There was some internal conflict within our Paralympic Committee which was to be solved within ourselves, but we will be doing our job in requesting them to resolve the issue.
ये मुद्दा आईपीसी में भी रिक्वेस्ट डालूंगा और ये कहूंगा कि खिलाड़ियों को कैसे अकोमोडेट किया जाए. आप फेडरेशन को सस्पेंड रखिए, देयर इज नो इशू एट ऑल, बट द एथलीट शुड नॉट बी their participation should not be compromised.
Those may be reassuring words, but with the Sports Ministry also threatening to de-recognize them unless they respond to a show-cause notice, the future isn't looking bright for the Paralympic Committee of India.
It's not easy to afford our training. It is not. Nobody is coming and giving us sponsorships. Nobody holds our hands. We make our own arrangements to train. There is not a single academy in the country which says that yes, this is dedicated to para sports persons. In spite of all that little federation that we have which encourages us to participate, just because of the fault of couple of people on the top, we have to suffer. Why?
Will it be a stopgap solution this time around too, or will the federation take concrete steps like forming an athletes commission perhaps to handle administrative issues? Whatever happens needs to happen fast. Otherwise, India's para-athletes will miss out on competitions starting with next month's World Blind Games in South Korea. In New Delhi, Suprita Das, NDTV.